Thanks for tuning into YouDoIt. Today we're gonna start ripping this carpet off and replacing it with beautiful laminate flooring with wide stair noses. And if you're ready, I'm gonna show you how you do it. Let's go! Alright, you ready to begin? You better get one of these. It's gonna be dusty.
As you can see, these were just cut straight and then caulked. So these were all cut 90. Of course, walls are not. Walls are in and out. So of course, professionals, we do have a Stairmaster tool, which basically is an adjustable. You can spread it out and you can adjust these things here. Obviously, I don't expect you to have a professional tool or go buy one for $300 just to do one staircase. I'm going to show you how I used to do it a long time ago when I did not have a Stairmaster. Nobody had that. So, of course, a very important thing to know. See how they're nailed here? You can see these nails. Nail holes right everywhere, filled, but you see them. And what these nails in the middle here do, your staircase is never flat, it's never straight. It always curves down to here and curves in to here. Why? Because the stringers on the sides are attached to the walls, and the middle stringers are basically hanging in the air. So with time they sag, which creates this unevenness here. So if you shoot nails right here in the middle, it pushes it in, and so it becomes crooked. Same happens here. So then you need to go and undercut this. This was undercut. That was undercut, or you get these gaps here. I do things quite differently, and of course I don't find out these angles with squares. And I'll actually show you how to do it without all these nails here, without all these nail holes. I have a way of making it without damaging the finish, then having to fill all these nail holes, and they're distorted, you can feel them. When you drive a nail, it kind of gets damaged and gets distorted. Okay, well, most contractors, or pretty much all of them, if they don't have a Stairmaster professional tool, they'll use a square to check this angle. Or they'll use a framing square, which is basically 2 by 24 by 16. They'll put it against this, and they'll look at this angle. Now, since this is curved in, this is not a true line. So the true line is somewhere actually here. So basically your tools, if you do it like this, you rest them against a side wall that is curved in, which results in an inaccurate reading here. That's why I do this. This is basically a big framing square that I custom create for every staircase. Because now it goes from this point to this point. See? Now it's resting against these corners. Now look here. About 1/8 of an inch, 3/16 of an inch gap here. That's all goes in very easily. It's all the way in here, all the way in here, but a gap here. Alright? So this square is supposed to be right there. So it tells me there's a gap there, but this true square tells me that this gap is twice more than what this guy was showing me. On the other side, we had this reading, which is 1/16 of an inch. Without it, it's not even that. It's about half. Okay? Now, of course, this one is not as bad as some of them will be. Imagine this going in 1/4 inch, and that's usually the case. Anywhere from 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, sometimes even more, especially in our older homes, where these middle stringers have sagged with time. And so everything got bowed.
Hey, what do you know? All the gaps are gone. Where did they go? Hey. Hello. Well, some of them are still dry. Like this one is still dry in there, but it's all... I mean, if you don't crawl on all four, you put your eyes in there. Looks pretty good. What do you think?